Welcome to Clay. I'm excited to give you a tour of our first clinic here in Nevada, just outside of Las Vegas in Henderson. This is meant to be the place that I want to bring my family and friends. We've designed it to hopefully feel like a warm, welcoming place that isn't just a traditional primary care office, but more a place that celebrates health and care. So you'll see we kind of have, it's a welcome, comfy place, and hopefully it looks nice. When you walk in, one of the first things you see is what we call the hive. It's really the care team's place that they work. They collaborate, they're chatting about the care that needs to happen. They're calling the docs around town that they're navigating you through. We call them our Clay guides. And they'll see you walk in, they'll welcome you right away. We call ourselves Clay Health and Care. We've got a big and sign on the wall, one of our logos. It's really a testament to what we're hoping to accomplish in this place. We got the care side and we got the health side. So I'm going to kind of walk you around and just show you what we do in here. Quick little side, we have a lab. We draw your blood. Everyone gets a nice blood panel. Our blood panels are actually very comprehensive, up to 140 biomarkers. We want to compare you to really healthy people, not just look at the biomarkers of disease, and then we collaborate to understand your health goals and try and get you there. But sometimes people need care. You get sick or injured. Of course, we want to be able to treat you and get you back on the horse. So we've designed our care rooms to be comfy. I remember growing up as a kid and sitting on those chairs with the paper, and it's a weird crinkly sound, and it's kind of disconcerting. So we have nice chairs. We also do spa type things in here. We do aesthetics. We heard from our customers that they really like to have that in the same place where they get their care from a doctor. And so we do some aesthetics procedures in here. We have a couple other primary care rooms that are similar format, but we also have rooms that can treat pain. We do pain injections. We have chiropractors on site, physical therapists. But one of the most important things that I've learned in my healthcare career is that a lot of what happens in the care setting doesn't really need an acute chair. A lot of it can just happen around the table. So we put tables in every room. You sit here most of the time and interact with your nurse practitioner, your physician, your doc. We also have screens in every room so we can bring the specialists in through video. It's a really great experience when the specialist can chat with the primary care doc and you and maybe your caregiver. Everyone is communicating, nothing's lost in translation, and you don't have to drive around to 3 or 4 different places. We really want to make your healthcare experience as helpful and enjoyable as possible. And this is where we then start building the bridge between care and health. One of our main goals is to be the curators of the best protocols and tools from across the healthcare industry to try and get you proactively into a healthy state. This is one of our partners, OsteoStrong. These machines are used to help you build really strong muscles and really strong bones in particular. So you can come through as you've worked with the doc and they say, let's get you back on the horse, let's get you so you can work out more, and you might have an injury or an imbalance. These machines help you build the strength to get back out there. We try to make, we have a welcome place if you need to change into your clothes. Of course, we have lockers. But now that we are here on the health side, this is where the rubber really meets the road to start getting you into your health goals. We have everyone come in after they've done their blood draw. We then want to look at not only their blood, but your body works as a system. So we have a machine here that can help us understand your imbalances and any of your injuries and pinpoint exactly what needs to be worked on. Then we can refer to the OsteoStrong machines and we can get you any of those obstacles that keep you from working out the way you want to because of aches and pains. We can diagnose, assess, and then fix those. We also want to understand how healthy your heart is and your cardiovascular system. So we'll have you ride this bike and we'll do what's called a lactate threshold test. It tells us how well you utilize fuel and how you can really improve your overall cardiovascular strength and fitness. These are examples of some of the cool tools that we have on site, but where it really all comes together is when you get to collaborate with your care team. We have health coaches that also work with physicians to look at all of these tests and assessments and triangulate based on your health goals to build a personalized health plan with you to optimize health. So here we have a great collaboration room. We spend a lot of time together in here. They'll do a body fat scan, and they'll pull up your data on the screen and customize and personalize a plan with you based on your goals, what works for you, what exercise you like to do. We talk about your diet, your nutrition. We understand your blood biomarkers, and they all come together to give you a really personalized plan. One of the things about healthcare that is, can be frustrating sometimes is that you got to come to the clinic often and you have to interact with the docs. But we know that the best thing to do is to keep you out there living your best life and making the most of your time. So oftentimes you'll be interacting with our care team just through text, just through video. They're in these nice little care booths where they're able to give you some privacy and really interact with you so that we can keep you outside of the clinic and but communicate in any of the ways that you would want to communicate. And one last stop here is we have, as I mentioned, chiropractors on site as well. So really, this site is designed, whether you need care, we can fix you up, get you back into your healthy frame, work on your personalized health optimization plans. We're really here to help you on your health journey and maximize your time. This is Clay Health and Care. We hope to build a relationship with you around your health. Come in anytime. We'll see you soon.